What's going on, you beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. We're gonna add some bling to the old 300. I'm not sure if it does much, but it looks pretty cool. There's a link in the description when we're done, but have a look. Matches all the other CRF stuff we've installed. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, Cobos. Alright, beauties, let's get after it. Got my 4mm Allen key. Take out the 2 bolts that come stock with the bike. It's pretty much saved you the time of it. I don't think this will do a whole heck of a lot, but looks cool. Ooh, you know what? One sec. Let's get some blue anti-seize thread locker on there. Seeing how this is pretty much metal on metal, right? There goes a lot on there. That noise is my baby monitor. My daughter's just sleeping right now. It's not, you don't have to over tighten stuff, just there you go, nice and snug. Beautiful. Like always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash that like button, please. Subscribe and share the videos. I think it looks pretty darn good. Like I said, I don't think it's going to do a whole heck of a lot, but I like the blue accents I have going on here. If you like all my other add-ons, additions, I got all the videos on my channel, so Kobo. Good boy. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.